Open the tripod, set up the laser leveling, and check whether the installation is stable. Observe the bubble of the original level, adjust the tripod, and ensure that the bubble of the laser leveling is centered. Introduce the building elevation into each room indoors. Mark the measured dimension on the ground. Determine the 1000 mm elevation line. Measure the elevation along the edge lines of the wall columns, with the spacing between measuring points 1000 mm. Measurement must be carried out at the wall ends and corner panel. Mark the areas that are 10 mm or more higher with paint and outline their boundaries. After the marking is completed, the operators shall wear protective gear and level the ground elevation. Chisel the concrete at the marked positions to the correct height with an electric breaker, ensuring that the installation of wall columns is not affected.